Welcome to this comprehensive guide on common issues with Debank LP tokens. As a liquidity provider, it is essential to understand the potential problems that can arise when working with these tokens. First, let's define what Debank LP tokens are. Debank LP tokens represent a user's share of a liquidity pool, which is a pool of funds locked in a smart contract to facilitate trading on decentralized exchanges. When you provide liquidity to a pool, you receive LP tokens in return, which can be used to claim your share of the trading fees generated by the pool. One common issue with Debank LP tokens is impermanent loss. Impermanent loss occurs when the value of the assets in the liquidity pool changes, resulting in a loss for the liquidity provider. For example, if you provide equal amounts of two assets to a liquidity pool and the price of one asset increases, while the other decreases, you may end up with a smaller amount of the more valuable asset than you would have if you had simply held the assets in your wallet. Another issue with Debank LP tokens is the risk of smart contract vulnerabilities. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into lines of code. However, if the code contains errors or vulnerabilities, it can be exploited by hackers, resulting in the loss of funds. To mitigate this risk, it is essential to only use reputable and audited smart contracts. Liquidity pool fragmentation is another common issue. When a liquidity pool is fragmented, it means that the pool is divided into multiple smaller pools, each with its own set of liquidity providers. This can result in reduced liquidity and increased trading fees. To avoid this issue, it is essential to choose a reputable decentralized exchange with a large and active community of liquidity providers. To avoid common issues with Debank LP tokens, it is essential to do your research and choose a reputable decentralized exchange and liquidity pool. You should also diversify your portfolio by providing liquidity to multiple pools and regularly monitoring your LP tokens for any changes in value. By following these best practices, you can minimize your risk and maximize your returns as a liquidity provider. In conclusion, Debank LP tokens can be a valuable asset for liquidity providers, but they also come with potential risks and challenges. By understanding these common issues and taking steps to mitigate them, you can navigate the world of decentralized finance with confidence and achieve your financial goals.